Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will be fine. Today our topic is letter writing and we will learn how to write a letter. But first let's see the types of letter. A letter can be formal and a letter can be informal. Formal letter is written for official purposes. फॉर्मल लेटर जो है वो दफ्तरी मकासद के लिए लिखा जाता है. फॉर्मल लेटर इज रिटन टू एडिटर ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर. फॉर्मल लेटर कैन बी रिटन टू मैनेजर ऑफ सम कंपनी. फॉर्मल लेटर कैन बी रिटन टू गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स एंड अ फॉर्मल लेटर कैन बी रिटन टू हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट्स. इनफॉर्मल लेटर इज रिटन फॉर पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. इनफॉर्मल लेटर जो है वो आपस की बातचीत के लिए लिखा जाता है. एंड इनफॉर्मल लेटर कैन बी रिटन टू फैमिली मेम्बर्स लाइक टू योर फादर, टू योर मदर, टू योर ब्रदर और सिस्टर. इनफॉर्मल लेटर कैन बी रिटन टू योर relatives and it can also be written to friends. So our main focus today, it will remain on informal letter and we will see how to write an informal letter. So now let's see the format of the informal letter. Informal letter, it basically has 5 main parts. The first is called writer's address, the second is date, and then you have salutation, fourth is body, and the last part is called subscription. Subscription also means the ending of the letter. So now let's discuss these parts one by one. So our first main part of informal letter is writer's address. In writer's address, we write the name of the writer and we write the address of the writer. But in informal letters, you can omit the name of the writer. लेकिन जो informal letter होता है, आप उसमें लिखने वाले के नाम को ख़त्म कर सकते हैं. So in writer's address, you can simply write the address of the writer, as you can see on the left side. 74, People's Colony, Lahore, full stop. So this is how we write the writer's address. But in papers or in the papers of board, it is not allowed to disclose your identity. आप अपनी शनाख्त को किसी भी तरीके से वाज़ेह नहीं कर सकते. You cannot write your name and you cannot even write your home address. So in papers, in place of writer's address, you will write examination hall, and in place of a city, you will not write the name of city, you will simply write city A.B.C. So this is the first part of the letter, writer's address, in which we write the address of the letter. But in papers, you will not write the address, you will simply write examination hall, city A.B.C. After the writer's address, we write the date. And you can write the date in 2 formats, as you can see on the left side of your screen. The first format is this. First you write the date, then you write the month, and at the end you write the year. And second format is this. First you write the month, then you write the date, and at the end you write the year. But keep one thing in your mind. Before the year, you are supposed to put comma. Year से पहले आपने हमेशा comma लगाना है. So your writer's address and date combinedly would look like this. वो कुछ इस तरह से नजर आएंगे. So first you will write writer's address, examination hall, city ABC, and then you will write the date 10 June, 2020, and you will write this thing or at the top right corner of your page. After the date, you are supposed to write the salutation. This is our third part. So the question is, what is salutation? It is a way of addressing a person you are writing a letter to. जिस शख्स को आप लेटर लिख रहे हैं उसको मुखातिब करने का ये एक अंदाज होता है. And we write the salutation on the left side. Inshallah, in next slide I will also show you the place of salutation, but first you must understand what is salutation. It is a way of addressing a person you are writing a letter to. Suppose you are writing a letter to your father, so you will write the salutation differently. If you are writing a letter to your brother, you will write a salutation differently. If you are writing a letter to your teacher, your salutation, the way of addressing the person will be different. The words should be used according to the status of the addressee. As I explained to you, if he is your father, so salutation will be different. If he is your friend, the salutation will be different. So now let's see some of the salutations. So here your first heading is addressees, to whom you are writing the letters. किन को आप हाथ लिख रहे हैं? If you are writing the letters to relatives, relatives also include your family members. So your salutation will be my dear. Then you can write father, my dear uncle, my dear brother. If you are writing the letters to friends, so then you can write my dear, and then you will write the name of the friend, or you can simply write my dear friend. आप my dear के आगे उसका नाम भी लिख सकते हैं और simply आप friend भी लिख सकते हैं. Acquaintances means those people who are not very close to you, जो आपके ज़्यादा करीबी नहीं होते, उनको लिखने के लिए आपकी जो salutation है that can be simply dear, Mr, Mrs or Miss. If you are writing to the strangers, so then your salutation can be like these. You can write sir, madam, or you can write dear sir or dear madam. If you are writing the letters to officers or teachers, then your salutation can be sir or madam. If you are writing to editors of newspaper, so again your salutation can be sir and madam. Or if you are writing with business concerns, so your salutation can be dear sir. Now let's see the example. Suppose you are writing a letter to your father. First you will write the address, and I have explained to you, you will not write your original address, as you are not supposed to disclose your identity. So in place of address, at the top right corner you will write examination hall, city ABC. This C would also be capital, that is a mistake of composing, that would also be capital. And after this you will write the date. I have explained to you the format of the date. And then on the left side you are supposed to write the salutation. So we have discussed this thing. If you are writing to your relatives or family members, so you can write like dear father. Now let's discuss the body. This is the fourth part of a letter. Body, it contains the original message. In the body you write the purpose of your letter. Why are you writing a letter? आप उस चीज को बयान करते हैं जिसके लिए आप खत लिख रहे हैं. Body, it also has three parts. When you start writing the body, first you write the introduction, then you write the main content, and at the end you write the conclusion of the body. So keep the idea of body clear, that in body we write the original message, the message we want to convey. जिस message को हम convey करना चाहते हैं, पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, वो हम body में लिखते हैं. Now let's see the parts of body. Introduction of the body. In introduction, the opening sentences should be of general nature. It means that when you will start writing the body of the letter, do not directly start from the original, you can say that matter. जो बात आप बताना चाहते हैं उसी से start ना कर दें, but you are supposed to start it with those sentences which show a kind of communication. उन जुमलों से start करें अपना letter जो थोड़ी communication को जाहिर करते हैं. So you can use these sentences as the introduction of the letter. I received your letter only the other day. I am very glad to receive your letter. My joy knew no bounds when I learnt of your success. You will be pleased to know that I am much pained to hear that. So we start, or we write the introduction of the letter according to the you can say that topic of the letter. After the introduction, we write the main content. In main content, we write the purpose and details for what we are writing a letter. So first you have written the opening sentences which indicates the communication. आपने opening sentences लिख दिए जो communication को थोड़ा indicate करते हैं. Then you will come to the main content, and in main content you will write that purpose and you will give the details you want to convey. आप वो मकसद और details लिखते हैं जो आप पहुंचाना चाहते हैं. And after the main content you come to the conclusion of the body. We do not leave the body at the stage of main content. Main content की stage पर हम letter को नहीं छोड़ देते, बल्कि हम proper conclusion देते हैं body को. Letter should be closed with a proper sentence. One of the following sentences may be used according to the occasion. मौके की मुनासिबत से आप इनमें से कोई भी एक जुमला लिख सकते हैं. Once you have written the main content, जब आपने अपना purpose बयान कर दिया, then you are supposed to write the conclusion of the body. So you can write any one of these sentences for the conclusion of the body. Pay my regards to all at home. Pay my compliments to all friends. Convey my salam to aunt and uncle. May her soul rest in peace. So we write these sentences according to the occasion, according to the situation. After writing the body, the last part, fifth part of the letter, this is called the subscription. We also said the closing of the letter, not closing of the body, closing of the letter. हम इसको letter की closing भी कहते हैं. After closing the body of the letter, we put subscription or close of the letter at the bottom of the left hand corner. So we write the subscription at the left hand corner at the bottom. So subscription should also be according to your addressee. If you are writing to your family members, your subscription, the closing would according to that. If you are writing to your friend, your subscription, the closing would be according to that. अगर आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को लिख रहे हैं तो जो आपकी सब्सक्रिप्शन है, क्लोजिंग है लेटर की, वो उसके मुताबिक होगी. अगर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को लिख रहे हैं तो आपकी जो लेटर की क्लोजिंग है वो उसके मुताबिक होगी. So now let's see some of the subscription, the closing of the letter. So first let's see the addresses. If you are writing to the relatives, family members, so your subscription would be yours affectionately at the end, comma. If you are writing to the friends, so your subscription, closing of the letter would be yours sincerely. If you are writing to acquaintances, so then your subscription would be yours truly. For strangers, the subscription closing would also be yours truly. If you are writing to officers or teacher, so then your subscription closing would be yours obediently. And if you are writing to editors of newspapers, then also your subscription would be yours truly. And if you are writing to business concerns, so then your subscription closing of the letter would be yours faithfully. Now let's see one complete model. So in this model, you have all the steps of the letter. First, you can see that you have the writer's address. I have explained to you, we do not write the original address in the exam. So in the place of address, you will write examination hall, city ABC. After the writer's address, you are supposed to write the date. I have explained you the formats of dates. And then on the left side, you write the salutation. And I have also explained it to you. The salutation will be according to your addressee. So then we write the body. We have three main parts in body. We write the introduction, the main content, and conclusion. We have discussed this thing. And at the end, we write subscription. Subscription means closing. And we also write it according to our addressee. So we have discussed if our addressee is a family member, so our subscription would be yours affectionately, comma. Normally we write the name, but in a paper you will not disclose your identity, and you will write X.Y.Z. So this is how we write a letter, and I advise you to practice these 5 parts of the letter how to write the writer's address, how to write the date, how to write the salutation. Then also do try to write the body. It doesn't matter your letter or you are writing right or wrong, but you must strive. आपको कोशिश करनी चाहिए. Your writing will improve, and you must also practice how to write the subscription. So that was our today's lesson, and inshallah I will see you in next video. Assalamu alaikum.